Hey. Okay. Uh, we're in my office and we're going to. Okay.
Oh, like pretty much the same thing we did today.
I took them on there.
How long did you
I don't remember. It was supposed to be 15 minutes.
I don't know. It's actually 10.
Oh yeah, mine was like around 20 minutes. Everybody's was.
I know. He told us that. But we can do it.
So, be quick. I don't know how long it's going to do that today. I took my time.
I'm sure I can. Well, I talk fast. But I can.
How many people did you see leave? Did you notice?
Huh?
Did you notice how many people you saw leave?
At least 2 and.
Well, I know. Wait, no. I know
Did
one
one guy
person.
come back?
I don't know. I know one person who went out.
One from the front class. Did your people just walk out in the middle of class?
Yeah.
They did.
Wow.
Happened. Yeah.
I guess if you don't know
It
it,
wasn't. It wasn't bad. I thought it was a good class, but I know one of them's name.
So it never happened before?
Oh yeah, it's happened before.
Okay.
At the beginning of the semester, I always check them out when they leave. But then after I get to know their names and recognize who has a tendency to leave, then I don't check them out, and I just notice when they leave.
You're on to
Yeah.
that.
And then I'll threaten them too, like, if you people keep leaving early, then I'm gonna make them all check out.
Dang straight. Okay. So, something went wrong with the okay. Yes, something went wrong with the recording last time. If any of you checked it out, that the audio was all there, but not the video. The video just stopped at some point. But
So you use your iPhone.
or your iPhone. But now we know what.
Have space.
Yeah, and I have a space problem too. So I think the only thing I can do is at some point during class I'll have to temporarily stop recording and check out the file and make sure it's okay. Like I might do it after 10 minutes or so, and then go from there. So I've received a lot of homeworks. I haven't checked to see if I have gotten everybody's, but well, actually, I know I haven't gotten everybody's, but looking around the room, actually, almost everybody in this room, and down at the coast. Okay, so I'm working on getting those graded, so I think I can have them done, well, if not by Monday, definitely by Wednesday. Okay, so, sorry, see. Need to get everything together. Okay. Now, oh, Leah, I don't know if you want to zoom in down there, or. Okay. So I'm going to finish off pivoting. Okay. All right. So So when you're performing row interchanges, the resulting factorization that you get, instead of just A is equal to LU, where L is unit lower triangular and U is upper triangular, it's now P times A that is decomposed in that manner. And P is called a permutation matrix. And this permutation implements all the row interchanges that you needed to perform during Gaussian elimination, whether it was because of avoiding division by zero, or if you're using partial pivoting, for instance, and interchanging rows according to that approach. Whatever row interchanges you did, you can accumulate them in this permutation matrix P. And if you look at the code, which I'll remind you of, it's on the lectures page, lupivot.m. It takes in a matrix A and returns all the ingredients of factorization. A vector P that shows how the rows were scrambled, and then the lower triangular matrix L and upper triangular matrix U. So A itself may not have an LU decomposition, but PA does. So now what happens if you want to solve AX equals B? What you do is you take that original system and you multiply both sides on the left by P. But now you apply the LU decomposition. So now we have LUX is equal to PB. So now you proceed before we did pivoting. So here are your three stages. You do Gaussian elimination with pivoting, and that gives you your LU decomposition. And then you do forward substitution. But instead of solving Ly is equal to B, you solve Ly is equal to PB. So in other words, whatever row interchanges you apply to your matrix during Gaussian elimination, you also apply those row interchanges to your right-hand side vector. And all the other row operations are being applied to both sides, so naturally that should happen for row interchanges. What was that?
Just turn up her volume.
Dr. Lambers.
Yes.
You can barely see the board at all. It's like it used to be. Yeah.
Okay, that's really odd.
It's completely blurry. You can't see anything. And you keep breaking up too.
Probably the weather.
Oh, yeah, I don't know if there's something with the internet connection.
It could be that.
Okay, actually, I want to
I
see.
can hear you, but I can't see what you're writing.
Huh. Okay. All right. So far, I've recorded about 9 minutes. Yeah, I see what you mean when I'm looking on the screen.
It looks like just different. It's pixelated.
Okay. All right. So since this is my only board so far, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to stop the recording. I mean, you'll still be connected. Okay.